The ARLIME Compact Laundry Dryer offers an efficient and convenient solution for drying clothes, with a range of features that make laundry day a breeze. One standout feature is its ability to effectively remove wrinkles, thanks to the large diameter stainless steel tumble and the forward and reverse tumble action. The inner device allows for easy rotation, preventing tangling and ensuring that fabrics emerge from the dryer looking fluffy and comfortable. The moderate temperature setting adds to the effectiveness in wrinkle removal. For those who value a quiet and energy-efficient appliance, this laundry dryer delivers on both fronts. Equipped with a technologically advanced lint filter that is easy to clean, it works efficiently to keep the dryer running smoothly. The automatic shut-off feature not only contributes to energy savings, but also adds a layer of convenience. Impressively, the noise level is kept to a minimum at only 57 dB, ensuring that the operation won't disrupt normal conversations or interfere with sleep. The dryer's multifunctionality adds to its appeal, accommodating a variety of clothing types. Users can choose from different modes based on fabric and weight, including cool, warm, anti-wrinkle, hot, and air dry. This flexibility allows for tailored drying settings that cater to the specific needs of different garments. Compact and with a large capacity, this electric dryer combines convenience and efficiency. With 850W power and a 10 pounds capacity, it can handle a substantial load of wet clothes. Weighing only 37.3 pounds and featuring a small size, it's highly portable and suitable for spaces like apartments, dormitories, motorhomes, and RVs. It can be wall-mounted, placed on firm horizontal ground, or mounted on a rack. ARLIME stands behind the quality of its product, offering a 1-year manufacturer warranty with the purchase. The company is committed to prompt order processing, usually within 24 hours, ensuring customers receive their products in a timely manner. Customer service is also emphasized, promising a satisfying response to any inquiries. It's worth noting the recommendation not to exceed 5.5 pounds of clothes for quicker drying. In conclusion, the ARLIME Compact Laundry Dryer impresses with its efficient wrinkle removal, quiet operation, multifunctionality, and compact design. It's a reliable and convenient addition to any space where space-saving and effective laundry solutions are essential.